Struggling with overwhelming debts in Ohio? It could be that Chapter 7 bankruptcy is your path to financial relief. Chapter 7 helps individuals eliminate unsecured debts like credit card balances, medical bills, and personal loans. One key benefit is the quick discharge process, often completed within months, providing immediate relief and halting creditor harassment through an automatic stay. Ohio-specific laws protect essential assets such as your home, car, and personal belongings through specific exemptions. To qualify, you'll need to pass a means test. You'll also complete credit counseling to explore all your financial options. Find out all about this on our website, usbankruptcyhelp.com. Chapter 7 is a powerful tool, but it's important to explore all your options. Click for a free consultation today to connect with a qualified bankruptcy attorney who can help guide your decision and secure your financial future.